There are certain compliments women hear all the time. You are beautiful. You are smart. You are amazing. Of course, she appreciates them. She may smile politely, say thank you, maybe even blush a little. But the reality most men never realize is that these kinds of compliments rarely touch anything deep inside her. They are safe, predictable, ordinary. If you truly want to leave an impression on a woman, something more than simple flattery, you have to speak to a deeper part of who she is. Not just the part that wants to be admired, but the part that wants to be understood. The part of her that almost no one notices. When a man learns to recognize that hidden side, his words carry a completely different weight. Some compliments feel rare, almost unexpected. They don't just make her smile for a moment. They stay in her mind long after the conversation ends. They stir emotion, curiosity, even a kind of quiet fascination. Those are the words that make her remember you. Many men don't realize that compliments can work both ways. If you say something that sounds forced, it feels fake. If you repeat the same common praise she hears from everyone else, it disappears from her mind instantly. But when your words reveal that you truly see something unique about her, suddenly you stand apart from everyone else. A grounded man doesn't throw compliments around just to gain approval. He doesn't speak just to impress. He chooses his words carefully and speaks with purpose. When he does offer appreciation, it feels sincere and powerful. And that kind of presence naturally draws people in. One of the most powerful things you could acknowledge about a woman is the way she thinks. Most men focus on appearance, her beauty, her style, or the way she carries herself. But very few pay attention to the way her mind works. Women rarely hear compliments that truly recognize their perspective. Not the simple, "you're smart," but something deeper that shows you notice how she approaches ideas, how she connects thoughts, or how she sees situations differently from others. When you acknowledge that, it shows that you are listening on a level most people never reach. You might say something like, "I like the way you think about things. It's different from what I usually hear, and honestly, it's refreshing." Words like that signal that you're paying attention not just to her presence, but to her inner world. That kind of recognition makes her feel understood, and people are naturally drawn to those who truly see them. Another compliment that carries real impact is acknowledging her strength. Many women are praised for being sweet, kind, or charming, but far fewer are recognized for the quiet resilience they show when life becomes difficult. Think about the moments when she handles pressure, faces challenges, or supports others when things fall apart. Those moments often go unnoticed. Yet they reveal a powerful side of her character. When you acknowledge that strength, it reaches much deeper than surface-level praise. It tells her that you respect the effort it takes to stay composed when situations become stressful. You are recognizing the discipline and emotional control that many people overlook. Imagine she shares a story about standing her ground at work, dealing with a difficult situation, or managing a tough moment with calmness. Instead of offering a quick reaction, you might say something like, "A lot of people would have lost their balance in that situation, but you stayed calm and handled it with real composure." Words like that don't just flatter her. They show genuine respect. And when someone feels respected for their inner strength, it creates a kind of connection that simple compliments about appearance could never achieve. When you say something like that, pause for a moment and let the words settle. Give her space to actually feel what you said. Because in that moment, you did more than notice her. You showed respect. And in a world where many women feel overlooked or misunderstood, genuine respect carries a powerful weight. It's magnetic. There is another kind of compliment that reaches even deeper. It touches something almost every person quietly longs for: the feeling that they matter. Not just that they look nice or that they are fun to be around, but that their presence adds something meaningful to the lives of others. This kind of compliment has nothing to do with appearance or charm. It's about the effect she has on the people around her. It recognizes her influence, her energy, and the positive change she brings into a space. When you acknowledge that, you elevate her beyond simple attraction. You're telling her that she doesn't just exist in the room, she actually makes it better. Everyone wants to believe they contribute something good to the world around them. When a woman hears that she inspires people, lifts them up, or brings warmth into a room, it touches a deeper level of pride and purpose. And when those words come from you, especially if she rarely hears them, she begins to see you differently. Imagine you're out together and you notice how the mood of the group changes when she's around. People relax, conversations become lighter, and laughter comes easier. Maybe she encourages a friend, comforts someone, or simply brings a calm, uplifting vibe into the moment. That's when you lean in and quietly say something like, "You know what I admire about you? You have this way of making people around you feel better without even trying." That's not something everyone can do. Moments like that stay with her because very few people recognize that kind of quiet influence. But these compliments only work when they're real. They're not lines to impress someone. They should never feel rehearsed or forced. Authenticity is everything. Women can sense when someone is simply performing versus when someone is truly paying attention. When she realizes that you're not just looking at her, but actually seeing her thoughts, her resilience, and her effect on others, something shifts. It moves beyond simple admiration and begins to create genuine connection. Many men believe women mainly want to be liked or desired. But what many truly want is to feel that they matter, that their presence has meaning, that they inspire the people around them in some way. So when you look her in the eyes and tell her that she inspires you, you're making a bold statement. You're letting her know that she influences the way you think, the way you grow, and the direction you move in life. This kind of compliment fulfills a deep human need, the need to matter beyond appearance. It communicates respect, appreciation, and honor. Instead of just admiring her, you're showing that she has an impact on you. For example, if she talks about taking a risk, pursuing a dream, or standing firm in her beliefs, take a moment and respond sincerely. You might say, "The way you handle life really motivates me. Seeing how you face challenges and stay true to yourself makes me want to raise my own standards." When she hears something like that, it affects her in a completely different way. Not because you praised her, but because you placed her among the people who shape your growth. There is also a deeper level of recognition that goes beyond words, actions, or achievements. It's about the energy someone carries. Some people enter a room and nothing changes. Others walk in and the entire atmosphere shifts. When a woman brings that kind of presence, she may not even realize it, but people feel it. Conversations become warmer. Attention naturally moves toward her. And when you are the one who recognizes that subtle influence, it elevates her from simply being admired to truly being felt. This works because it acknowledges her essence rather than something superficial. You're not complimenting her outfit or appearance. You're recognizing the energy she radiates and the emotional tone she brings to the environment. If you're in a group setting and notice how people lean in when she speaks, how the mood becomes lighter, or how others seem more open around her, quietly point it out. You might say, "It's interesting how the whole atmosphere changes when you're here. There's a kind of energy you bring that people naturally respond to." Say it calmly, almost like you're sharing an observation rather than trying to impress her. Moments like that are unforgettable because she feels genuinely understood. In the end, compliments like these are not about flattery. They're about depth, honesty, and recognition at a human level. Most men repeat the same predictable phrases. "You're beautiful, you're hot, you're amazing." Those words might earn a smile, but they rarely create something meaningful. But when you learn to acknowledge a woman's mind, her strength, her influence, and the energy she brings into a space, something deeper begins to form. It creates an emotional pull that lingers. When a woman feels truly seen and valued in ways she rarely experiences, attraction moves beyond surface level interest. It becomes a deeper connection. Because compliments like these don't just make her feel attractive, they make her feel respected, appreciated, inspiring, and unique. So, if you want to be remembered long after a conversation ends, don't repeat what every other man says. Speak with intention. Notice what others overlook. When your words reach a woman's deeper sense of identity, that's when she will remember you in a way that doesn't fade.